गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. My prayers to Adiguru Sri Prajna Dakshinamurti. My Manasika Namaskaram pronounced to Pujya Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati Swamiji. And my Guru, for him, my Manasika Namaskaram to Sri Swami Omkaranandaji Maharaj. And pronounced to Sri Swami Nityanandagiri Maharaj from Tirukoilur. And Namaskaram to Sri Swami Samanandaji Maharaj. Welcome to all sadhus in this hall and new students of this course, and to everybody. For every event, there will be a good beginning, and then there will be end for that beginning also. For every program, for every activity, there will be a nice beginning program. Like that, we are having this 6 months course in English, inaugural function by Parama Pujya Sri Swami Nityanandagiri Maharaj and Sri Swami Samanandaji. On behalf of Sri Swami Omkaranandaji Maharaj, we are seeing these two Swamijis in this dais. This 6 months course, how it happened? Whose dream is this? Let us see. Swami Paramarthananda, beginning of this ashram, very first day, inaugural function of this ashram, what I am going to say, Swami Omkarananda Swamiji used to say often, if there is an ashram, in that ashram, what is the main activity of the ashram? Not running the schools, colleges, hospitals. That is not the activities of the ashram. Ashram means a teacher and a student should be there. The daily routine activity is a teacher should teach Shastra or Vedanta, anything that is related to Shastra. This is the main basic activity of the ashram. If these classes are not there, are not regularly conducted in the ashram, that is not the ashram. So, in our parampara, as Pujya Swamiji told, this parampara is coming from Sadashiva Samarambham. For this, who is the creator of this course? Like this, all over India, all over world, so many of them conducting the courses, Yoga course, Vedanta course, Naturopathy course, so many varieties of courses are available. But like this course, studying about our Sanatana Dharma, Hindu Dharma, Shastra, who created this setup? Teacher, student, ashram, a book. These things should be put together in one place. That too, these 4 items, teacher, student, ashram, a book, it should be stick with tradition. That's what Swamiji told. Everything has to be connected with the tradition. Shankaracharya in his commentary, he is telling about Sampradayam. Which is Sampradayam? Who created this Sampradayam? Asampradayavit murkavat upekshaniya hai. He is telling like that. In his Bhashyam, in his commentary, he is quoting who belongs to Sampradaya and who will be the Sampradaya traditional teacher. A guru, before begin to teach or before begin to understand the Shastra, he should learn from another guru. His guru, he had learned from another guru. Like that reverse order we are going. It begins with Sadashiva. That's what Swamiji told. Sadashiva Samarambam Sankaracharya Madhyamam Asmad Acharya Paryantam Bante Guru Paramparam. So who is the Sankaracharya Madhyamam in this century? Who is the creator like this setup? Teaching tradition. I can tell only Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati. When I was in the course in Anaikatti, 3.5 years course, one day a Swamiji came from Andhra Pradesh called Swami Paripurnananda. Swamiji introduced Swami Paripurnananda to tell about what he is doing in Andhra Pradesh, what he is teaching. Like that you have to tell to these new course students. He told about Puja Swamiji, so many things he told. Finally he told, I can't find any difference between Sankaracharya and Swami Dayananda. He is always teaching about Sankara's commentary on Upanishads, Brahma Sutram and Bhagavad Gita to all the students all over the world. He is the only person understood correctly of Sankara's Bhashyam. He can find a appropriate correct mistake also in that Bhashyam. Swamiji used to tell, this is not Sankara's writings. Maybe later Shishyas added these words. I know that. I know Sankara's commentary of style. That much capacity Puja Swamiji having. Because of that only, our Acharya of Sringeri Mutt, he gave Sankaracharya award to Puja Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati. He created this teaching tradition with a set of teachers and set of students like this course, long-term course, short-term course, varieties of courses, but everything sticked with tradition, not away from the tradition. I can tell, instead of Sankaracharya Madhyamam, I feel whenever I chant this shloka, Dayananda Madhyamam, like that. He is the traditional teacher who brings this tradition into life, and he is the sustainer of the teaching tradition. Day before yesterday, I went to Anaikatti and met Swami Dayananda Swamiji and told about the setup here. We are ready to receive Swamiji. Swamiji in this age, he is very enthusiastic, and he told whether Omkarananda Swamiji will come. No, Swamiji, he is not able to come. You have to come and give Anugraha Bhashanam, I told. And Swamiji told, Na varran, Pathakalam. Like that he told. So, I have to tell 5 important items to run an ashram. One is a traditional teacher. Second is student who is expecting to understand what is said in Shastra. The teacher who already studied and understood the Shastra through the words of Acharya, the capacity of the teacher, how it should be, not only he understood, he should make others to understood what is said in Shastra. That is called teacher. A Shruti says a line, Gukarascha antakaro vai rukaras tan nivartakaha. Like that. Who is Guru? In the word Guru, the letter Gu is refers to antakaraha. Gukaras chantakaro vai rukaras tan nivartakaha. A Guru removes the ignorance by teaching the Shastra properly to the student. If you want to remove the darkness of the room, you should not try to remove the darkness. It never removes. It never goes. Just you lit the lamp in the room, automatically darkness goes away. Like that, a good teacher, a professional teacher, a well-versed teacher, he already understood and learned Shastra from a right teacher through his words, keeping the Shastra, and then he should teach. He is now begin to teach to make others to understand what is said in Shastra. Who am I? From where I came? What is the position of my life? Finally, where I will end up. Like these questions are arising in students' mind. For all these things, a set of teachers, students, they are all came from Guru Parampara. Here Swamiji, Nityanandagiri Swamiji and Samanandaji and Swami Sarvananda, me, Arasu Ramanujamji, everybody connected with this tradition. Apart from this, our Swami Omkarananda, there is no words to tell about Swamiji. 24 hours he is thinking about this ashram. From the beginning, each and every stone and sand, everything we will talk about Swamiji in this ashram. I can tell another line, that is, this is the dream of Swami Omkaranandaji. His only desire is to run a course to teach a Vedantic text, keeping a Acharya in this ashram like this Swamiji's. So everything put together because of Lord Dakshinamurti's grace. I never thought after finishing my course I will come to Teni, I will teach whatever I know. But Swamiji, Omkaran Swamiji encouraged very much me. You studied already 3.5 years course. You no need to do any work, any seva, any administration work. You just begin to teach. You know what you are having the capacity. So please begin to teach. In my first class, Swami Samanandaji inaugurated in this ashram, Tattva Bodham classes. I am very happy. Whatever I know, I am going to teach in this course also. Like that, Swami Sarvanandaji also, very intimate Swamiji with me. Whenever I was in the course in Anaiketti, we used to talk a lot about all these activities. I am very happy to have an Acharya like this in this course. Freshly, after took sannyasa, he came to conduct this course. And Swami Sri Arasu Ramanujamji also, he travelled all over the world. But when he came here, he told me, I never saw like this ashram in any place. Connected with public people, a nice Pitadipati like our Swamiji. These are all blessings for us. Any ashram you can go, they will tell, you can look this work, you can do this work. Nobody will tell, you sit and study, you do vichara of Shastra, nobody will tell. But in this ashram, Swamiji, our Omkarananda Swamiji, gave full freedom to study the text, Vedanta text, whatever Sanskrit available here, library is there. So, I want to mention about these two Mahatmas, great Mahatmas. One is Swami Puji Swami Dayananda Swamiji, and another Swamiji is our great Guru, the reservoir of Vedic rituals and the traditional teaching in Tamil Nadu is a very familiar figure, our Swamiji. These two great Mahatmas, blessings every day, every time to all people in India, all over the world. So many foreign students belongs to our Arsha Vidya tradition. Finally, once again, I am praying to Lord Medha Dakshinamurti and Prajna Dakshinamurti and Pujya Sri Swami Dayananda Saraswati Swamiji and Manasiga pranams to Sri Swami Omkaranandaji Maharaj and pranams to Nityanandagiri Maharaj and pranams to Sri Swami Samanandaji also. To inaugurate this course, they came here on behalf of Swamiji Omkaranandaji. I am very thankful to them. Finally, I want to finish with a sloka. In Panchadasi Vidyaranya quoting, which is Shastra, how it should be experienced. A verse telling, Aho Shastram, Aho Shastram, Aho Guruhu, Aho Guruhu, Aho Jnanam, Aho Jnanam, Aho Sukam, Aho Sukam. Before learning Sanskrit or Vedanta or anything in your life, you don't know what is we are going to learn. After learning, maybe in all material things, you can experience Sukam and Dukkam. But apart from everything, learning the Shastra through a right Guru, we gain moksham, that is Jnanam. Because of the Jnanam, we are only going to experience Ananda. Because our self itself is what? The nature of the self itself is Ananda. That's what we need. Without knowing, we are all approaching the Sukam. But which is real, which is unreal, we are in the confusion. So, studying Shastra, keeping right Guru, we get Jnanam and Sukam. For that, we need teacher, student, ashram and tradition and the book. 5 items. One is teacher, second is student. These two are very important. For this, they want to live in a place. They want a shelter. That is called ashram. This ashram is very nicely equipped to do puja. We are having a nice temple with the deities Dakshinamurti and very well equipped dining hall, nice lecture hall, 2 types of lecture halls, very good library. That too, we are having the river in backside of the ashram, nice atmosphere. This is called ashram. For this ashram, to build this ashram, so many of them contributed to this ashram. Mainly, I want to quote Swami Samanandaji. From the beginning of this ashram, he is with our Swamiji. There is no words to appreciate or thanks. Give a thank to Swami Samanandaji. There is no words. What he thinks, Swamiji will tell. What Swamiji think, he will tell. That much anyonyam they are having. Because of that only, Swamiji sent Swamiji Samanandaji to inaugurate this course. Without keeping any structure, infrastructure, without any infrastructure, we are not able to conduct like this course. Isn't it? So, a good teacher, student, ashram, and the Shruti book, these 4, it should coincide with the tradition. It should not away from the tradition. In this ashram, everything put together within the tradition, not out of the tradition. That's what Swamiji also, very beginning he told, it came from very nice tradition, like that. For every event, we need 4 kripa. Atma kripa, Shastra kripa, Ishvara kripa, Guru kripa. Of course, we are having lot of Guru kripa, like Swami Dayanandaji. He is coming on day after tomorrow. Evening, he is going to give one class. He is going to take the first class for this course. First class and first class. And then next day, 4th morning also, he is going to give another class. That is not a lecture or speech. Class, Vaguppu. So, these four kripa, Guru kripa, Atma kripa, Ishvara kripa, Guru kripa, Shastra kripa. Apart from this, we need one more kripa, that is my addition, that is ashrama kripa. If you remove in the word ashrama, first letter A, what will be the what will be the spelling? Shramam. Tanni varlana pochi. Kashtamayaro. So fourth, fifth, that is my addition, ashrama kripa. Because this ashrama kripa, who gave this kripa? Because of Swamiji Omkarananda Swamiji, he is still now thinking about this ashram. 24 hours, there is no work for him. Manager Vandara, Kovilla Puja Nadandada, everything he is inquiring, sitting in his room in Chennai. We have to think and we should pray for his good health in this time. This is a very important day for this ashram. What I told again I am going to tell. Aho Shastram, Aho Shastram, Aho Guruhu, Aho Guruhu, Aho Jnanam, Aho Jnanam, Aho Sukam, Aho Sukam. Let us do a Jaya Gosham. Jai Shri Adi Gurunada Swami ki, Jai Shri Pujya Shri Swami Dayananda Maharaj ki, Jai Shri Omkarananda Mahaswami ki. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.